Have you ever wondered what's inside the Great Pyramid of Giza? Our journey begins at its narrow entrance on the north side, a deterrent for tomb robbers. This unassuming doorway, barely noticeable, was the only way in and out of the pyramid. As we move further into the pyramid, we encounter a sloping corridor that ascends upwards. This puzzling design, far from being a mere architectural choice, was a clever strategy to bewilder potential intruders. The Egyptians were nothing if not meticulous. Every inch of this ancient structure was crafted with purpose and precision. The corridor, with its gradual ascent, was a labyrinthine gateway to the heart of the pyramid. It's as if the pyramid itself is challenging those who dare to uncover its secrets. But the journey is just beginning. After surviving the claustrophobic entrance, we find ourselves facing the imposing Grand Gallery. The Grand Gallery, a large corridor with a corbelled ceiling, was likely more than just an architectural marvel. This steep upward corridor, daringly built in the heart of the Great Pyramid of Giza, remains an enigma to historians and architects alike. Its corbelled ceiling, a technique where stones are overlapped to form an arch, is a testament to the engineering prowess of the ancient Egyptians, creating a space that is both imposing and awe-inspiring. The Grand Gallery is believed to have served a symbolic purpose, though the exact nature of this symbolism remains a mystery. Some theories suggest it represented the ascension of the pharaoh to the heavens, a spiritual journey mirrored in its upward trajectory. Yet the gallery also had a practical purpose, as it leads directly to the king's chamber, guiding visitors to the innermost sanctum of the pyramid. Beyond the Grand Gallery lies the antechamber, the gateway to the king's final resting place. The antechamber, believed to have held various ritual items, leads us into the heart of the pyramid, the king's chamber. Before we reach the fabled king's chamber, we pass through a space known as the antechamber. This room, while not as grand as the chambers that follow, is believed to have held a significant role in the burial rituals of the pharaoh. Historians speculate that this room may have housed various ceremonial items, perhaps offerings to accompany the pharaoh on his journey to the afterlife. Moving beyond the antechamber, we find ourselves in the innermost sanctum, the king's chamber. This is where the pharaoh Khufu's sarcophagus was placed, a final resting place fit for a king. The chamber stands as a testament to the grandeur that was ancient Egypt, with its massive blocks of red granite and flat ceiling. The choice of red granite is significant. This stone was not locally available and had to be transported from Aswan, hundreds of miles to the south. The effort and resource allocation required for this task underscore the importance placed on the construction of this chamber. The king's chamber is void of any decorations, a stark contrast to the elaborate tombs of later pharaohs. However, it contains an object of great significance, the pharaoh's sarcophagus. Carved from a single block of red granite, the sarcophagus was placed in the chamber before the pyramid's completion. Its size and weight make it impossible to move through the narrow corridors of the pyramid, a testament to the meticulous planning and execution of the pyramid's construction. The king's chamber is not just a room, it's a symbol of the pharaoh's power and a monument to his eternal life. The ancient Egyptians believed that the pharaoh would ascend to the heavens from this chamber, joining the gods in the afterlife. From the grandeur of the king's chamber, we ascend higher into the pyramid to the queen's chamber. This next step in our journey takes us deeper into the mysteries of the Great Pyramid of Giza, as we continue to unravel the secrets of this ancient marvel. The Queen's Chamber, located higher in the pyramid, is a room full of mysteries. As we journey into the heart of the Great Pyramid, we find ourselves in a chamber that's not quite as grand as the King's, but no less intriguing. This is the Queen's Chamber, a room that stirs up more questions than it answers. This chamber, unlike the King's, does not house a sarcophagus. Instead, it contains a shaft similar to those found in the King's Chamber. But here's the puzzler. This shaft does not open to the exterior of the pyramid. It seemingly leads nowhere. Could it be symbolic, or did it serve some other purpose lost to time? Theories abound, from ventilation to astronomical alignments, but the true purpose remains as elusive as the ancient Egyptians themselves. Just as we think we've plumbed the depths of the pyramid's mysteries, we discover there's more. Beneath the pyramid's base lies a subterranean chamber, an enigma in stone. Unlike the rest of the pyramid, this chamber has an unfinished appearance, as though abandoned mid-construction. Was this an original burial chamber, discarded in favor of the grander rooms above? Or perhaps it was intended as a decoy to mislead would-be tomb robbers? The debate among archaeologists continues, and the subterranean chamber, like so much of the pyramid, keeps its secrets well. As we navigate these ancient corridors, it's hard not to marvel at the genius of the pyramid's designers. With every step deeper into the pyramid, we are stepping back in time, into a world steeped in ritual and symbolism. The Queen's Chamber, the mysterious shaft, the subterranean depths. Each is a piece of a jigsaw puzzle that, when put together, forms a picture of an extraordinary civilization and their awe-inspiring architectural achievement. As we leave the chambers behind, we encounter the baffling air shafts. Each twist and turn in this journey brings us face to face with another intriguing facet of the Great Pyramid of Giza. But as we shall see, the mystery is far from over. The narrow air shafts extending from the King's and Queen's chambers to the exterior of the pyramid are an enigma that continues to puzzle researchers. These slender lines of mystery, often referred to as the King's and Queen's chamber shafts, are a fascinating aspect of the Great Pyramid of Giza. These shafts extend from the heart of the pyramid, from the chambers of royalty to the exterior of the timeless structure. But why? What purpose do they serve? The King's chamber shafts are the more explored of the two, extending upwards from the room that once held the pharaoh's sarcophagus. Theories about their function are abundant, one of the most popular being their symbolic or religious significance. Some believe they were designed to provide a pathway for the pharaoh's soul to ascend to the stars, a testament to the ancient Egyptians' beliefs about the afterlife. The Queen's chamber shafts, on the other hand, are smaller and less understood. They too extend to the exterior of the pyramid, but their exact purpose remains shrouded in mystery. Could they also have served a religious purpose? Or perhaps they were an ingenious ancient ventilation system designed to circulate air within the pyramid's depths. The truth is, we may never know for sure. These air shafts, though narrow and seemingly insignificant, are a crucial part of the pyramid's design. They offer a tantalizing glimpse into the minds of the ancient Egyptians, their beliefs, and their architectural genius. Yet, despite extensive research and exploration, their precise function remains elusive, adding to the allure and mystery of the Great Pyramid of Giza. As we delve deeper into the pyramid's secrets, each discovery leads to more questions than answers. The air shafts, these breaths of mystery, are just one example of the enigma that is the Great Pyramid of Giza. From the perplexing air shafts, we turn our attention to the construction techniques and materials used in the pyramid. The Great Pyramid of Giza stands as a testament to the advanced engineering skills of ancient Egyptian civilization. The grandeur of this structure is not just a tribute to the pharaoh Khufu, but also to the remarkable skills of the artisans, architects, and laborers who dedicated their lives to its creation. At the heart of this architectural marvel lies the intricate use of limestone and granite blocks. The majority of the pyramid is made from limestone, a local material sourced from nearby quarries. These stones, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons, were meticulously cut and shaped, then carefully placed to form the colossal structure we see today. Yet, the true genius of the pyramid's construction is not just in the size of the blocks but in their precision. The blocks were laid with an accuracy of within a fraction of a degree, a feat that is astonishing even by today's standards. This perfect alignment has led to numerous theories about the techniques used by the ancient Egyptians, with some suggesting the use of advanced tools and astronomical knowledge. Not to be outshone by the limestone, the inner chambers of the pyramid were constructed using red granite blocks. These were sourced from quarries over 500 miles away in Aswan. Transporting these enormous blocks across such a distance is a testament to the logistical capabilities of the ancient Egyptians. But the pyramid's precision extends beyond its construction. The edges of the pyramid are perfectly aligned to the cardinal points: north, south, east, and west. This alignment, combined with the pyramid's precise angles and proportions, has led many to believe that the Great Pyramid of Giza was not just a tomb, but also an astronomical observatory, a calendar, or even a map of the stars. The Great Pyramid of Giza remains an architectural marvel, and its interior continues to intrigue and astound us centuries after its construction. As we delve deeper into its mysteries, we are reminded of the innovative spirit and the extraordinary skills of the ancient Egyptians, whose legacy continues to inspire us today.